So you just kind of keep doing this and it kind of becomes like mass production. I mean, here we go. I've got one. I just made one there. I'm going to lay it down on my cookie sheet because I like to use the oven to kind of dry these. Not with very high heat. I'm going to use very low heat. And mass production, I'm going to just kind of keep putting sugar in. I'm going to pack it down like I showed you before. Get it nice and kind of tightly packed in there with the back of my spoon. I'm going to scrape it here. Get it my playing card. Flip. Jiggle. There we go. There's another one. Two. Just like making sandcastles. Now, the only thing is this mold will eventually get a little bit sticky and will eventually get kind of some sugar caked into it. And actually, you'll find that you can really only make maybe 4 or 5, 3, 4, or 5 skulls before they really don't pop out that easily anymore, because what's happening is you're starting to get kind of some sugar and meringue powder, water mixture, sort of stuck into the features, the details of the mold, and you start to lose some of your detail. So then when that happens, so I've made 3, I could probably make a couple more, but if you look at my mold, you see it's starting to get kind of sticky inside. All you want to do then is just go wash it by hand in the sink. No, don't use any soap or anything, just kind of wash it out. And then the really important thing is you want to dry it too before you start molding again. So actually, let's do that right now.